Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Sudha Yadav ji, Guest of Honor, Ms. Ramnika Kapoor and Mr. N.M. Mishra, Honorable Director, Mrs. Soumya Sachdeva, Shri Sundarlal Yadav ji, President Sarpanch Association, District President Panchayati Raj Prakosh, Sandeep Kumar ji, Inspector Haryana Traffic Police, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, Treasurer HPSC and Manager Lions Public School, Ms. Renu Singh, Principal St. Xavier's 89, Mr. Trilok Singh Bisht, Principal BT Bluebells Sector 10, respected parents, my adorable students, and my dedicated team of GD Goenka. We are also privileged to have amongst us Mr. D.P. Goyal, who is the President of Kenvin Foundation. I will start with the parents of Nishant Anjana, who were just with us, who was honored. It is a moment of immense pride and joy for me to welcome you all to our annual day celebration, Karn Gatha. Today, as we gather to celebrate the achievements of our students, we also reflect on the journey that has brought here. Ladies and gentlemen, you just saw Mr. Anjana on the stage with his wife. He is no ordinary man. He is a very important parent to us, being the father of Nishant Anjana of grade 12. Now, what is so remarkable about him? He is the national champion of swimming. He has recently won silver medal in SGFI national level, and not to mention that he had actually won CBSE nationals too. But because of maybe any technical error, he could not be given the prize, he could not be given the position, but he, mind you, he had won first position. So Mr. Anjana, the credit goes to you. The kind of investment you have given in your children, that is very important. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all parents for your unwavering support and trust. Your involvement, be it at home or through participation in school activities, is a cornerstone of our students' success. At GD Goenka Sector 10A, we strive to create an environment where values are instilled, talents are nurtured, and character is built. A special thanks to all of you, dear parents, for embracing me with such warmth since I joined. Many parents have encouraged me to reckon my leadership, for which you all have been highly appreciative, is shaped by my family. My mother, who is a grade 5 graduate, whose wisdom has guided me, and my in-laws, who have instilled in my husband values of support and perseverance. Dear parents, I would also like to mention about my honorable management here, Mr. Tarun Sachdeva, Mr. Narang, Mr. Vikram Narang, Mr. Manan Narang, and we have Mrs. Soumya Sachdeva amongst us. Honestly, I'm telling you, for the last 23 years, I am into teaching industry. I haven't seen such humble management who give such free hand to their principals so that they are able to give the best to the children. So can we have a round of applause to our managements? At GD Goenka, we focus not only on education, but on holistic learning rooted in values, confidence, and curiosity. Success for us is not merely about marks, but about building individuals who bring meaning to their lives and pride to their families. This year, dear parents, has been a remarkable one. Let me read the report of previous few months. Dear parents, when we speak about 21st century skills, 21st century skills means confidence, leadership, curiosity, communication, and many more. So here at GD Goenka, we want to ensure that our children, they don't only do the academics, they are grown properly, and we believe in holistic development, dear parents. So in order to instill the 21st century skills in our children, the first thing that we started was we ensured that 100% of the students, they participate in each and every activity. And today's show, Karn Gatha, is one of the example of that, wherein we requested all the parents to let their children participate in annual day. Dear parents, annual annual day, today it is Garn Gatha, we have taken the theme. It tells you about the character who had been wrongly understood in the history, and also who has been a very inspiring character of Mahabharata. Dear parents, when your children, they participate in each and every activity, what does it give to them? It gives them confidence. If children are present here today for Karn Gatha, it is not that there were only 2 or 3 days rehearsal, dear parents. It was a rehearsal of complete 1 month. Your children, my children, they were here on this stage for complete 1 month, daily for 2 hours, practicing this annual day to put a wonderful show before you. So my children, dear parents, they deserve a round of applause from you. Thank you, dear parents. Here at GD Goenka, learning is not education. There is a difference between learning and education, dear parents. Today we have the members of HPSC, and I have my dear principals also, the colleagues who are with me. If you remember, in the last meeting of HPSC, we had Kumar Vishwas. So Mr. Kumar Vishwas had specifically mentioned about the difference between learning and education. So dear parents, let me tell you, here at GD Goenka, it is not only education that we are focusing on. We are focusing on learning. Now what is the difference between learning and education? Education is wherein we are just going through the curriculum, we are just learning question answers, we are just doing the syllabus. That is called so-called education, which the British had given to us. Why? Because they wanted the servants, the clerks who could serve them. But do you want the servants only, dear parents? I need an answer from you. Do you want the children to develop the 21st century skills? Yes or no? How many of the parents, they believe that your children should be taught 21st century skills? Can you please raise your hands and show me? Do we have 100% or any parent who just focus only on education? For example, okay, just to make it more clear, what is the difference between learning and education? What is the difference between GD Goenka Sector 10A and other schools? The difference is the learning that we are giving here. For example, अगर आप अपने माता पिता से पूछेंगे, if you ask your parents and you ask them, what is the time, dear? They would just look at the sky and they would tell you, itna time hua hoga. But if you ask our children, they won't be able to tell you. This is education. And learning is when your parents, they just look at the sky and they say, aaj barish hone wali hai. That is called learning. But when you have to Google something, when you have to look inside the books and find out what would be the weather, that is called education. So we are proudly claiming that here at GD Goenka, we are giving learning, not only academics. Academics form the foundation of a student's growth, shaping their intellect and critical things. It equips them with knowledge and tools to face challenges, pursue dreams, and contribute meaningfully to society. But of course, academics goes without saying. We at GD Goenka are committed to give 100% results to our academics. But I ask you one question, dear parents. If your child is scoring 99% marks, or if any child is scoring 99% marks and committing suicide, has the child got education or learning? So here at GD Goenka, we want to ensure that we give learning to our children. We give values to our children. We teach them that there is yes and there is no in the life. There are winnings and there are failures in life. So here at GD Goenka, we are preparing our children for life, not for any exam, my dear parent. The life exam is also very important. Okay, now parents at times ask me, ma'am, our children are not performing well, and then what do we do to gain marks? Dear parents, gaining marks is just a very small mantra. All of you please note this. A very small and simple mantra if you are just focusing on marks. The only thing you need to do is revision. For example, if I learn something in 1 hour, the other child might learn it in 5 minutes or maybe 1 hour or half an hour. So being the parent, you know what is the potential of my child and just repeat, repeat, revise and revise. That's the only thing that you need to do. The only thing. Rest of the stuff is taken care of. So I hope now all the parents and even the teachers, they know this mantra of marks. So I hope we can get good results provided we have 50% support from you as well. When we say 50%, we mean 50% is given by the school and 50% comes from you. As is evident with Mr. Anjana. Mr. Anjana had given his 50% to his child, and that is how he was standing here today. May we have a round of applause for Mr. Anjana as parents, my dear parents. Here at GD Goenka, in the process of developing the skills of our children, we had introduced a lot of things this year. For example, we have introduced the clubs which were not there earlier. So we have made mandatory for our children to participate in vocational clubs, be it sports club or be it the vocational club. All the children are made mandatory participating in all the clubs. It is not that children become experts at the school by opting such clubs, my dear parents, but they actually get to know about their hidden talents which they could pursue as careers or just as hobby. For example, my dear parents, as a part of our commitment to holistic education and preparing students for real world challenges, we have introduced practical initiatives to foster entrepreneurial skills among our students. One such initiative is the creation of dedicated photography team. May I have my photography team here? Aprambir 9th B, Rishi Mishra 11th non-medical, Ishit Mishra 9th B, Dilisha Jain 9th C and Trinab Chaudhary 9th B. Through hands-on experiences like covering school events, creating professional portfolios, and exploring the art and business of photography, we aim to equip our students with skills that extend beyond the classroom and prepare them to excel in the dynamic world of tomorrow. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, this is the example, the way we are developing the 21st century skills of our students. This is our photography team. They do the photography of all the events. They are from you only, dear parents. Kudos to their parents also. Can we have a round of applause for their parents? Thank you so much, my dear team. I'm so proud of you. Along with that, thank you so much. Can I have my cyber warriors on the stage? Aprambir 9th B, Sunena 9th A, Anant Kaushik 9th C. Now this is something special, my dear parents. This is my team, which is dedicated to eradicate the cyber crimes from the society. We, along with the Cybercrime Police Department, are working to eradicate cyber fraud, which is so evident these days. And I, along with my team, are ready to visit your societies. If you need to help, if you need us to help you, please contact with us. We will organize workshops in your societies so that we make you aware about the cyber fraud. Ladies and gentlemen, 30 crore rupees every month are duped off Gurgaon just because of cyber frauds. Thank you so much, my dear team. My team is there to help you. Thank you so much. Over 500 students this year in the last 5 months only participated in inter-school competitions, winning several college to school. Here is the list of a few. We participate, just a few I'm reading out, my dear parents. MUN Vasant Kunj, Summer Field Competition, Chrysalises, which was in GEMS International, St. Xavier's 49, Zavanium 24, Mount Olympus School, my children went for a competition. At GD Goenka Rohini, my children went for the competition and won. At GD Goenka Sector 48, Imperial Heritage, GD Goenka Public School, Vasant Kunj, American Montessori, MVN Faridabad, AM International School, Sector 46. And this is just a few mention of the competitions which my children have won. Importance of sports, my dear parents. As educators, it is our responsibility to nurture not only the intellect, but also the physical and emotional well-being of our students. To this end, we place significant emphasis on sports within our curriculum. By integrating structured physical education and providing opportunities for competitive recreational sports, we aim to develop well-rounded individuals. GD Goenka boasts of a wide range of sports activities for which we have won numerous accolades. The sports facilities provided by our school are basketball, swimming, badminton, lawn tennis, football, skating, taekwondo, karate, cricket, chess. And along with that, we are proud to announce that soon we will be introducing pickleball in the school. Let me share the spectacular achievements of my children with you, dear parents. Nishant Anjana of grade 12 brought home a silver medal at the National SGFI Swimming Championship. May I have Nishant on the stage, please? For chess cluster SGFI, we have Bhagyansh Goyal 5th C. For Taekwondo, we have Pihu Sen 7th C. For skating, we have Dua Goyal 4th A, Athar Sinha 3rd C, Athar Verma 5th A. Can I have all children on the stage? From karate, we have Arjav, Siddhi Mittal, Anahita, Geet, Samanya, Ashwat, Mishika. More participants and winners for swimming, we have Prince, we have Ujjwal, we have Yash. From badminton, we have Devanshi. From boxing, we have Jatin. From athletics, we have Dev and Mayank Kataria, my dear parents. The list is long. For badminton, for swimming again, Prince, Ujjwal, Yash, Sanindya Goyal, Reyansh Goyal, Rudra Pratap Singh, Shaurya, Himank, Dagar, Katyani. For badminton, we have Divyansh, Bharat, Siddharth, Devanshi again. So my dear parents, this is the proud team of the sports people that we have nurtured at GD Goenka. Thank you so much. Thank you children for making us proud. Thank you very much. I'm so happy, but next time I want to see all the hands raised so that you and we come on the same single one platform so that we can raise better children in life. Thank you. Dear parents, we have also started Happiness and Wellness Center in our school. Now, what do we mean by Happiness and Wellness Center? Dear parents, we have hired a team of special educators and experts. They are doctors who visit the school, who come in the school. They will be organizing workshops for parents, students and teachers as well. Please take out maximum benefit out of it if you wish to. The only thing that you need to do is when we call you to school, you have to come. Dear parents, we are also proud to announce that we have introduced the first newsletter of GD Goenka in the year 2024. GD Goenka's discipline has become the talk of the town these days. It has become a trending topic these days. Most of you had been coming to me, telling me personally, ma'am, what has gone to GD Goenka? Why such discipline? Let me tell you, not only you, Sector 10A and the nearby societies, they are talking about the discipline of GD Goenka. They are talking about the principal being very strict. They are talking about children, those who come at the gate, and if they forget the belt, they take their parents back and they say, Mama, I don't want to go to school. Let me first get my belt, then only I would enter inside the school. So how many of you agree to that discipline is good in the school? Can you please raise your hand and show me? So can you please, if you all agree, can you please give a round of applause to me? Thank you so much. Thank you very much for that. My mother-in-law is there और वो भी मुझे आशीर्वाद दे रही हैं और मेरी मम्मी भी यहाँ पे है. Thank you मम्मी, thank you so much. I love you. पापा भी हैं. Dear parents, here one more thing. I request all of you. See, आज बातें थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा होंगी. बातें थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा इसलिए होंगी कि जब मैं आपको बुलाती हूँ ना तब तो आप आते नहीं हो. Because then you have excuses. I have my office. Ma'am, I have to go to my office. Dear parents, whatever you are earning for your children. ये जो पीछे से आपको आवाज़ें आ रही हैं ना, ये बच्चे हैं, राइट? ये आपके बच्चे नहीं है जब स्कूल में आते हैं, मेरे बच्चे हैं. So the way I want to nurture them, thank you. Honestly, I feel so. They are my kids. and the way I want to nurture them, you have to help me out. So unless and until we come on the same page, you come to meet me, you attend the workshop, you attend the coffee meets, how will you be able to understand what do we expect of you and what do you expect of us? So if you want to open the communication, please coming to school every now and then, take the appointments and please do come. Another thing that we have started at GD Goenka is career counseling for grade 9th and 12th. Dear parents, mind you, it is completely free of cost that we are doing. Alongside academics, we are preparing our children for future, offering workshops, one-to-one counseling, career fest, wherein national and international universities will come in the school itself to have one-to-one interaction with the children, so that your children, they don't have to go anywhere. They don't have to invest money for counseling, and they come here and they enjoy the counseling sessions and get to know what they are supposed to do in life. For me, as a principal, parental participation is very important. In order to have you all in the school premises, we have conducted a few interesting activities for you. For example, inviting parents to attend the assemblies, Mother's Day celebrations we have done. Also, we have called you on Independence Day celebration, celebration of Grandparents' Day, Eid celebration, Dandiya night celebration, and our very own Cricket Premier League for the fathers of our students. How many of you are happy about it? Can you please give a round of applause to the school for this? And those who have missed these activities, if you want to enjoy that, next time, whenever you get a circular, please come to the school. The principal interaction, as I am very fond of interaction, and let me tell you, whenever I have mic in my hand, I cannot resist it. I keep talking and talking, and today is the punishment for you. Because when you don't come when I call, so this is a punishment. Today all of you have to come, so you all have to listen and bear with me. So dear parents, principal's interaction is crucial for fostering a transparency, collaborative school community, ensuring that parents feel valued and informed about their child's education. Dear parents, I must tell you what all I have done personally so that I could interact with you, so that you get to know how much efforts I am putting in just to talk to you. First of all, in the month of July, I had shared a feedback form with you, wherein you could provide the feedback to us, what changes you wanted, whatever you wanted, you felt that the school was lacking, we could put in efforts for that. That was first thing. Personally, I call 3 parents each day. Many of you must have already received. Can the parents raise their hands, those who have received my personal calls? So every day, thank you dear parents, every day I am calling 3 parents personally to find out what is their feedback, what if they find something in the school, what if I am missing on something. Another thing that I have started is, I meet parents over the coffee. How many of you love coffee? Please raise your hand. How many of you love coffee? Very few. Fine. So we will have the tea meetings then. Instead of coffee meetings, we can have juice mornings as well. We can have green tea mornings as well, provided you come and meet me on the meetings so that we are on one page, dear parents. I do personally take the workshops of the parents, my dear parents. Though many classes are still left, I'll be doing that, and I request all of you, please come on the workshop. I even remain there at the dispersal and arrival both the times so that I interact with you. And if we have any issues, we can nip in the bud only, whatever the problem is, whatever the issues are. Most of you keep telling me in the morning and in the afternoon. And proudly I am saying, dear parents, today when I am standing here, 99% of the problems and your issues have already been resolved. Yes or no? Yes or no? Can I have a loud yes? If it is actually yes. Can I have a round of applause, please? Thank you so very much. Dear parents, we also organize Olympiads, and proudly I'm announcing that our 150 students have won Olympiads, and the list is endless. Also, we had the award ceremony. Dear parents, during the award ceremony, we have started an innovative way where we are not only honoring first, second, and third positions. Instead, what we are doing is, see, in each and every child, you have something different. You have something special. Some children are good at academics. Some are good at English, Hindi, maths, SST, or science. Some, they just manage to come to school 100% of the working days. Some are good in music. Some are good in dance. Some are good in sports. So do you think those children should not be awarded? I feel that all the children, irrespective of whichever field they are in, they should be honored on the stage. So that's how we have honored our children on the stage. Thank you, dear parents. Next, we also organized investiture ceremony. Now, what is investiture ceremony? Investiture ceremony is wherein we had felicitated our council members on the stage. That is again another part of honoring the children and also to developing their leadership skills, 21st century skills. Dear parents, we are also proud to announce that we have started the career guidance cell. Along with that, another innovative thing that we have started, and let me tell you, dear parents, you will not find it anywhere in any of the school. Parent School Synergy Program, wherein we are calling the parents to come to school, be part of the school programs, guide our students, and be part of our school and school curriculum. May I have Mr. Deepak Bajaj on the stage, who took workshop on entrepreneurship. May I have Dr. Ajay Dubey, who had taken a workshop on financial literacy. May I have Mr. Sunil Sayal on the stage, who had taken workshop on mathematics. May I have Mr. Bijender Saini, who had taken workshop on challenges on dreams and manifestation of goals. My dear parents, they are our parents, and they had taken the courage to went inside the classes and teach our children. Mr. Sayal, he went inside the classes to teach our children. Now, how does it make the difference? When we invite the parents, this enhances the participation of parents in the school, but it also boosts the confidence of not only children, but parents too, as you feel that there is a transparency between the school and the parents. And I would like to have more and more parents joining us next year. Thank you, dear parents, for this. Also, we have, excuse me, not only this, thank you, dear parents. Thank you so very much for being present here, and we are very privileged and we are proud to have such parents with us. Thank you so very much. Thank you. To my dear students today, you inspire us daily with your energy, curiosity, and achievements. Remember, success is not just about academic results, but also about making the world around you a better place. To the parents and teachers, thank you for your partnership and dedication. Together, we are shaping the future of these bright young minds. To my fellow part, Ms. Monica Malik, our Vice Principal, I can't thank you, Monica, the way you had been supporting me here, walking hand in hand with me, and making me always proud by your presence. As we celebrate this annual day, let us affirm our commitment to nurture our children into confident, compassionate, and successful individuals. Thank you for being part of this journey, dear parent. Enjoy this evening. Thank you so very much, and let's see what our children have there for us. Thank you, everyone.